I'd like to welcome you all to the seminar on current concepts of IP right protection. Before we start with this seminar, I would like to give you a short presentation on what AIPPI is all about. Now, Pravin has thankfully already mentioned the major aspects of AIPPI, so I can make this very brief. We all know that in 1883, the mother of all international IP treaties, the Paris Convention, has been signed, and 14 years later, the users of the IP systems thought that if the international authorities can get together and organize themselves, we would have to organize ourselves too and define the needs of the IP owners, of the practitioners in the field of IP, and thus founded in 1897 AIPPI, which has grown to be a worldwide, one of the largest IP associations and the only association, as you rightly said, that covers all fields of IP. For a quarter of a century now, the Indian group is an active part of AIPPI, and after this quarter century, we're very pleased to have our next annual meeting here. The aims and purposes of AIPPI are rather self-explanatory for an IP association. To promote the understanding of the necessity of IP protection and to do comparative law studies is the major focus of the association. And then the second part is communication with international administrations, with the governments, and also with the national stakeholders in IP in order to implement the proposals that AIPPI defines through its comparative studies and resolutions. How do we do that? Over the year, AIPPI processes a number of working questions on topical IP issues, and having done this for more than a century, has generated a catalog of common understandings of the international IP community on different aspects of IP protection. The work over the year is then processed and discussed during the annual meeting of AIPPI and condensed into a resolution that combines or contains the international consensus on the specific issue. I will skip the administrative and structural aspects of AIPPI. It takes a lot of work to keep our association running. The working committees are the bodies that process the scientific work. We have special committees that focus on specific items, like one of the oldest AIPPI committees is the one on the PCT. We have a committee on traditional knowledge, and we have committees on different trademark aspects. Long-term issues are addressed in those committees that exist for several decades. We have bureau advisory committees and the statutory committees that take care of the different aspects of running the association, like finances, our scientific program, and the communication with the outside world.